Hello everyone. Hope all are doing well. In today's session, we are going to discuss about one of the international events to be observed on 8th of June. Yes, today we are going to discuss about World Oceans Day. World Ocean Day is an international day celebrated annually on 8th of June. It's a day to recognize the immense importance of oceans in our lives and to raise awareness about the critical need to protect it. As we all know, ocean covers about 71% of the Earth's surface and is thus often called as blue planet. It's fundamental to life on Earth, providing at least 50% of the oxygen we breathe and absorbing a significant portion of carbon dioxide. It's home to the vast majority of the life on Earth, right from microscopic organisms to enormous whales. The ocean plays a crucial role in regulating global temperatures and weather patterns. It provides food, medicines, and supports industries like fishing, tourism, transportation, and also international trade. Despite of its vital importance, oceans face numerous threats due to human activities. Billions of pieces of plastic end up in our oceans annually, forming massive garbage patches and thus harming the marine life. Microplastics are also entering the food chain. Coastal development, pollution, and other human activities degrade vital marine habitats like coral reefs and seagrass beds. Every year, the United Nations designates a theme for celebration of World Ocean Day to focus global attention on specific ocean issues. This year, the theme is Wonder Sustaining What Sustains Us, thus highlighting the awe inspiring nature of the ocean and our collective responsibility to care for it. I would like to end this session with a beautiful quote focusing on both its majesty and our responsibility towards the oceans. The ocean stirs the heart, inspires the imagination, and brings eternal joy to the soul. On this World Ocean Day, let us remember that its wonder is our legacy to carry and its health is our deepest responsibility. Thank you for being connected.